Hey Z.
Yo.
Hey Z.
You almost there?
I just now left.
Okay. I'll be there probably in 20 minutes.
Alright, that'll work.
Alright, sounds good.
Alright.
I think those motors are be here soon. I'm gonna look.
Alright, yeah, see if they come soon. I'll install them on your quad if you want.
Huh?
I'll install them on your quad if you want.
Okay, yo.
Alright.
Let's see. Alright, sounds good. See you in a second.
Alright, peace, bro.
Bye.
This is vlog 3, headed south to Helen Park. Off to go flying. Should be a good time to fly. Today I'm meeting my friend at Helen Park. He flies too. At the moment his quad's broken though, so he can't fly with me today. But in the future there will definitely be some duo flights together of us. Him and I go way back. We used to fly a whole lot more when his quad was working, but lately he's just been out of it, like getting ready for college, and quad's always broken, can't really afford to fix it and such. You know how it can be. But today we're finally meeting up and it should be good to go flying again. Alright, here we are, we made it. Used to be a volleyball area net over there. This is why I'm here. This big open field. There used to be just like a patch of forest, but then they chopped down a whole bunch of trees and laid in some sod. Now it's growing in really nicely. Excited to rip here, should be good. I just can't get over how nice this spot looks right now. There's really cool features like this thing scattered throughout like this area here.
I try to feel it inside, but the fire that we had's all gone. Sometimes I think about why as the sand in the hourglass runs. I try to keep it in line, maybe I'm just not the one. But you know I would, but you know I would, but you know I would keep it undercover. We could have each other. But you know I would, but you know I would only let you down. You know I'm gonna change. Things just don't stay the same no more, no more. You know I'm gonna break. You know I'm gonna break your fading heart. But it's over, it's over, it's over now. But it's over, it's over, it's over now. Inside, strike a nerve and it all went numb. One lie, you get me so high, my desire blocks out the sun. I try to keep it in line, maybe I'm just not the one. But you know I would, but you know I would, but you know I would keep it undercover. We could have each other. But you know I would, but you know I would only let you down. You know I'm gonna change. Things just don't stay the same no more, no more. You know I'm gonna break. You know I'm gonna break your fading heart. But it's over, it's over, it's over now. It's over, it's over now. need them. First off, you should know that my lights on, but I ain't home. Up high, but I stay low. Think I ain't right when you ain't wrong. Cause I'm just that, say it ain't so, say it ain't so. You know me, you know. You know I'm gonna change. Things just don't stay the same no more, no more. You know I'm gonna break. You know I'm gonna break your fading heart. When it's over, it's over, it's over now. When it's over, it's over, it's over now. Rise again.